Now I've got 2 of those popcorn balls left.
No, you don't. I ate them.
Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to Things Tina Does, coming to you from the future, or is it from the past? Yeah. Anyway, I realized that I forgot to film an intro for the popcorn balls, so coming up, here's the popcorn balls. Okay guys, now, when it's to this stage right here and you can see soft lumps in it, it is almost done. Okay, so just FYI, it is almost done completely at this point here. I'm not turning my heat off yet, but it's almost done. Now, for this, I have more popcorn and stuff in it to make the popcorn balls, which I'm going to show you in just a second how to do. So I doubled my sauce recipe. So that's 2 bags of marshmallows and a half cup of butter, which is 1 stick, of course. Okay, and you see this coming along here, almost done. Done. I'm turning my heat off now. All right, guys, all the way done now. See that? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead, as we did before, we're going to pour it over the popcorn and candy mixture. I'm using my non-stick pot for this, guys, but really you don't have to. So if you're seeing this and you're thinking, oh, I don't have a pot like that, don't worry about it. Your good old stainless steel will work just fine. A lot of people like to do their marshmallow sauce in the microwave. That's not my favorite. My favorite way to do it, I have done it some, but I really prefer doing it on the stove. I just feel like it melts differently. It has a more satin-like finish to it when it's melting. All right. Look how pretty is that. Now it's still hot, so you don't want the little ones getting their hands in it yet at this stage. Look at that. Look at that loveliness. How fun is that? You gotta bring out your big muscles on this type of thing, guys. Bring out the big muscles. Look at that. Now that's where you want it, okay? So, woohoo! How fun! And sticky! All right. So, this is what you want to do. It's cooled down enough to handle now. So, get a little bit of butter. Butter up those hands. All right, and I just got just a little pat, okay? Whoop, I lost my little pat. Where did it go? Hands are nicely buttered. All right. And we're gonna set this, now I have my baking sheet here. I have my baking sheet with the wax paper here. All right, so you put that little bit of butter on your hand, and that's just gonna help you be able to not stick to the popcorn quite as badly. We're just going to form it into little balls and set it out on the cookie sheet or on the baking sheet. Remember to line it with your wax paper, okay, because that's going to help that release later. See that I rebuttered my hands. I like to go ahead and make up 2 or 3 recipes of this and use up all my bun pans, all my molds, and make these. Something that I like to do with the little balls, they already kind of look like ornaments. I like to wrap them up in wax paper and put them on the Christmas tree. It's a lot of fun. All right, I'm going to continue doing this with my messy hands, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when we wrap them up in the wax paper in just a few minutes. All right, guys, we're ready to wrap these up. I want to show you something that is so cool. A little bit of life hack for you. When you're wrapping something that you're getting ready to, you have to tie it together or something like that, it's wonderful to have a base. So here's my base. I've got this glass with a little bit of a wider mouth on it right here. It's going to go right here. All right. Then I'm going to set my sheet of wax paper right here over the glass. All right. And you want to really try and let these set up for a couple of hours before you start to pull them off and wrap them up. They're just going to handle better for you. Fold your wax paper up around your popcorn ball. And then tie it with your ribbon here. Just bring it around the neck where you crimped up. Cinch it nice and tight. Now, trick here. When unmolding these, taking them out to eat them, just get the scissors. Don't try to save the ribbon. That's not going to work so great. All right, now you can just wrap them like that and set them in a bowl or a basket to be enjoyed. And there you go, right? How fun is that? So now, these are wonderful to give also as gifts. If you don't want to do a whole popcorn cake, maybe you have some neighbors that only have 1 or 2 children, something like that, or it's just one person. You can wrap up a couple of these in a basket and bring it over for the holidays. I'm back. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on the popcorn balls. Need to try that? Check it out. Throw me up a like and a comment, guys. Hit that notify bell. And be sure and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We're uploading several times weekly, and we love to hear from you. All right, we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does. Bye-bye.